Good evening po, sir. Ako po si Elizabeth V. Fulion. Estudyante po ako ng Development Communication. Third year na po ako. Kakapanayamin ko lamang po sana kayo tungkol po sa AREC po. Ano po ba ang AREC?
Mga early 1980s, ito ay tawag ay CLSU ANEC. ANEC means Affiliated Non-Conventional Energy Center. Now, after the passage of renewable energy P, the center was changed to AREC, Affiliated Renewable Energy Center. So the CLSU AREC or the ANEC before, this is an academic arm of the Department of Energy in promoting renewable energies throughout the Philippines. We have, I think, more than 20 AREC center. I'm not sure of that, but more than 20 AREC center throughout the Philippines.
Sir, ano-ano po ba yung mga proyekto po na kasalukuyan pong ginagawa po ng AREC?
For the AREC, CLSU AREC, our project is geared towards biogas production, and then micro hydro and pico hydro power generation. Then we have the wind, solar home system, solar home energy system, the solar photovoltaic pumping system, and then the solar battery charging system. Another project is on the wind energy system. But right now, the AREC is concentrating only on the micro hydro, the solar system, particularly solar home energy system and solar photovoltaic pumping system, as well as the biogas. So there are three major projects the AREC now is working with. About the stakeholders, so our beneficiaries includes community-based barangay, or a village type community. So that is one of our stakeholders. Another LGUs. Most of the micro hydro facility is financed by LGU. So that is the common source of funding for the micro hydro. We have private companies and then private farmers. So from backyard to village type, that are the stakeholders we are serving. Okay.
Sir, saan po ba nagagaling yung funds po ninyo dyan po para sa AREC?
So the funds for AREC actually came from the Department of Energy through its Department for Section Renewable Energy. And other fund sources includes LGUs, then foreign agencies, as well as private partnership. So most of the activities of the AREC are more on service oriented activities. So we we get funds from the specific projects that we are helping.
Eh, sir, nagkakandak po ba kayo ng mga trainings or seminar po para po sa mga clientele nyo po?
About the training components of the center, that is regular activities of the AREC. In fact, we have about 4 series of training, from October to December, involving the barangay-based solar home energy project, as well as 3 or 4 for barangay-based, 4 training for barangay-based, and 3 trainings for agricultural engineering students with regards to renewable energy.
Sir, yung mga staff po ba ng AREC, saan po ba sila? Dito lang po ba sila galing sa CLSU po or from other institution din po?
About the manpower of the AREC, the AREC is headed by an academic faculty, and most of the staff are hired personnel. So we hired personnel according to the nature of activities. For example, right now we increase our manpower because we have a lot of activities to be done up to December. So with regards to manpower, these are mostly output oriented. So the AREC has no permanent staff. And so we will hire according to the nature of activities that the AREC is working with.
Eh, sa mga ano po yung mga example po ng institution kung saan nakikipag-link po kayo para magkaroon po ng confirmation po sa mga new data for information?
Right. So the AREC or we have the PAREC. The PAREC is the Philippine Association of Renewable Energy Center in the Philippines. So that association has its own database system for the different information of the individual AREC in each region. So with regards to information sharing, so we use the internet for our information sharing. And we have actually a GIS database system, and still we are updating that GIS database system.
Eh, sir, paano po yung meron po ba kayong mga bagong technology po na ginagamit po sa AREC po? ano po ba yung mga technology na yun?
So we have developed a new renewable energy, and this is the use of compressed biomethane. The compressed biomethane is derived from the biogas, and so we purify the biogas, and we get the enhanced biomethane and containerize it in LPG tanks. So our target is to have an alternative source of energy for home cooking, as well as alternative source for gasoline for small engine. So there will be two applications right now, but in the coming days we will try to establish another application, like application for industrial usage, like welding. Another new renewable energy on deck is the design of velocity turbine, for which we are going to get the energy of the flowing water from the canal or irrigation canal, and design a turbine, so that this turbine or this flowing water will run the turbine, and the turbine will serve as or will run the generator to generate electricity. So that is another new renewable energy that we're going to work on.
Last question po, sir. Ano po yung significance po ng AREC po dito sa CLSU po?
As I said, AREC this is the academic arm of the DOE. So CLSU is only one AREC, and its significance is this center is the one responsible for promoting this renewable energy. So the center is more on service to the barangay, to the community, with respect to renewable energy utilization, dissemination of technologies, then promotion, trainings. And so this AREC is part of the CLSU in promoting extension services with regards to renewable energy. So it is only the AREC and CLSU with regards to renewable energy that promotes extension services outside CLSU. So madami pang in fact the AREC in 2011, AREC received the most outstanding extension service award. Extension service award. I was at for Region 3. So, yun ang award na na-receive ng AREC.
Thank you very much po, sir. Salamat po sa oras. At narinig niyo po si Dr. Victorino Tamayo Thailand, ang head po ng Affiliated Renewable Energy Center.